Yes. Hey YouTube, this is Chanel and I'm back with another YouTube video here at Chanel World. So tune in and see how I got these gorgeous braids up on her. Bossed out. So yes, what you're seeing is I section her hair. She getting the ponytail and she wants 2 on each side. So I go ahead and line everything up the way that I need it. And these are the 2 tones that she's going to be using. The red with the red and black. And I always part the hair to make sure the flyaways and everything get out the way with the jam that I use. I always use a jam on braiding hair, period. So you want to make sure everything is perfect, which I do all the time. And I do my sides first, as you can see. And so I do make sure I braid my braids all the way down because I don't like loose braids. I make sure all my braids are intact and tight as well. And also I do feed in hair, as you see me doing right here. I grab some more hair and I also feed it in because she said she wanted these braids super duper long. So that's the look that we was going for. So stay tuned and continue to watch this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So what you're seeing right here is me parting the hair with the jam. As you see, it just give you a clear lining, like you can see everything with that jam. If you lay that jam on there right, you will not miss nothing, I'm telling you. So that's what I'm doing right here. So now that we got that, you want to grab 2 little tiny pieces from the beginning and you break them into 3. And you start the tiny bit braid, and then you want to take just a little bit of hair and you want to add it in and pull the braid, the hair that you moved out the way, over the braid. And so that's what you see me doing right here. I continue to add hair in and move the other hair to the side. And you continue this process all the way through. Also, you want to make sure you keep a good grip on it, because if you loosen this braid, the braid is going to look really bad, and so you're going to have to go back and start over. So it's best for you to keep a great tight grip on the hair when you installing the hair. So again, it's the same step right here. You're just gonna keep feeding in the braids, feed them in, step by step. Okay, so right here I'm adding my gel in between my braid and I'm combing it up. And then what I'm going to do is I take my 2 strands of hair. I make the small braid first because I'm closer to the front of her head. And then I take a strand of hair and I add it in between the braid. And then you want to go in and you want to add another strand of hair in between the braid. That's basically what you're doing. You add in a strand of hair in between. Each time that you braid the hair, you want to add more hair into there to get the feed-in braid look. How it should look when you get done with your feed-in method. So right here, I take my olive oil, ORS, and what I do is I just apply it all over the braids. You want to apply it everywhere to get the hair to lay just the way you want it. It just takes the stiffness out the braid, so it's gonna give your hair more room to just move around. Then what I do right here, I take an archer and I actually trim the edges of the braids to get all the excessive hair that does not need to be there, and I even all the braids up. And so your last step would be your gotta be spray. You spray all over the braids as well, so the scalp part, and it just keep all the braids intact, and it really just hold them real nice. And I use my blow dryer to dry that up and make sure everything laid right. And I already popped the rubber band. So I take 3 braids and I twist it all the way around, and as you twist it, you want to spread with your gotta be spray to make sure that it holds real nice. So right here, I actually did her eyebrows. I did her a little glam, a little makeup, and I was just installing her mink lashes from my company, which is Chanel Lace and Pearls. You You can go check my website out. I will be uploading things real soon, so you can just purchase your lashes there if you're into like mink lashes. This is the end. Please like and subscribe to this video, and thank you all for watching. Thank you.